before I studied Arabic here, I was doing A-levels. So I was studying politics, history, philosophy, and ethics. And one of the main reasons why I wanted to study Arabic was so that I could understand the Quran.
I'm kind of from the opposite side of the of educational background. So I was more so into sciences. So I was at university studying applied medical sciences, and then I came here. I'm interrupting my studies right now, so I would have gone into the third year, and I'm coming here, while I'm interrupting my studies there.
So the two main subjects we study here are Nahwa and Sarf. Nahwa is the science of all the rules that govern how we construct sentences into a complete thought. And Sarf, which translates as morphology, is about how verbs form and how that change in form reflects a difference in meaning.
And those are the two main subjects that we went through in semester 1. Now that we've moved into semester 2, actually we've completed Sarf, we're still going on with Nahwu. But alongside that, there's quite a few other subjects that are more to do with application. So there's language of the Quran and there's language of the Sunnah. So in each of those, we are going through particular portions of text and we're applying what we've learnt so far in Nahwu and in Sarf. And we're breaking down how the sentences work and what exactly they mean and how we can apply our knowledge to understand them better.
And to add on that, we're also doing two texts, Qasas al-Nabiyyin, which is stories of the prophets, which is an all Arabic text. So we apply Nahwa and Sarf there. We're also going through a Seerah text, which is called Nur al-Uyun, which is all Arabic again, which is a bit more complex, a bit more difficult than Qasas, and we're also applying Nahwa and Sarf there.
I've quite liked the atmosphere at UT. I think it's the right balance between kind of formal and informal. We're not children anymore where you need to, be sat in a classroom and be told when to go to the toilet, when to ask questions, etc. So I like the kind of balance that we have. We're able to talk to each other. We still have the teacher there, kind of guiding us along. Being a teacher, as opposed to just like self-study or something.
Yeah, so talking about the teachers, they're very good in the sense that they make sure that everyone in the class is on the same page. So so we have on-site and we have online. So the teachers would always ask questions to every student, even online, to make sure that everyone's on the same page and progressing at the same rate. So they're very accessible and very helpful in that way.
Ustad Mehdi, he always makes it a point to ask us trick questions. So after we answer the question, he'll say, "Are you sure? Are you sure?" And you can never tell if he's asking that because you actually made a mistake or because he's just trying to trip you up. You have to actually be sure of what you're saying. But I think that's good because it means that even if you're not sure of what the answer is, you're still kind of willing to answer because regardless, he's going to answer you in the same way.
We have students who have come from university. The range of ages in our class is quite vast. So we have students that are 16, students that are over 20, nearing the 30s. So we have that balance and we have that chemistry with different students.
After having spent roughly 6 months on this course now, I don't really think there's anybody that I wouldn't recommend this course to. So, whether you're a student who's just coming out of college, or you just finished GCSEs, or you finished uni, or you're an adult who's just found some time and you want to finally learn Arabic as you always wanted to, I don't think there's anybody this course wouldn't really, be useful for.
If you think that you won't find people you can't connect with, you will. And even the teachers, they're very accessible. So if you can't connect to the students, which is very unlikely, you'll definitely connect with the teachers.